important thing, he hits straight. He doesn't hit across the line. That's the key. He's still got a strike rate of over 100, not only in this innings, but right through his career. He's gone over the top, and when he does that, he will clear the boundary ropes quite easily. So Dhoni starting to open up for India.
Well, I'm not really sure if this is a cricketing shot. Looks like a baseball shot. It's a home run. Length delivery, and he was just, it seems like that he was just waiting for it. And look at the swing of the bat. Here you go. Bang! And that went long way.
He will not look at the bowler, he'll just look at the ball, and if it's there to be smashed, he'll do exactly that. Straight down the ground, and don't bother, just fetch it. There was a long on and a long off, but they were mere spectators.
Shiva, do you really think the run rate really mattered to this man? I don't think so. There's a man there, a deep mid-off, and that one smashed over him. And have a look at the previous six he hit. Look at the energy he's gathering here. Plenty of power coming from the back, hamstring, forearms, wrist, all together.
I do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Right into the block hole, and he wants to hit it over wide long on for a 4 or a 6. Oh, cracking shot. Ends the over with a boundary. It's 273 for 2. Again taken the aerial route, and no guessing where it's landed. Don't worry.
Well, no mercy there for the bowler. This man is just killing them. Well, I was expecting this match to go deeper than this, a lot deeper than this. But this man wanted to finish it very quickly. This one was smashed really hard, right in the crowd.
And again. He is sensational. Truly sensational.
Well, what can one say? This man is just awesome. Look at that. On the back foot. And he just swung this heavy bat. And that one went miles high and far. 1 run needed.
And cheeky moves to 77, and India have won this match. It's been a great team effort. Plenty of youngsters coming into the Indian team for the one-day tournament, and the boys have done wonders. It's a big margin. The Hutch Cup 5 one-day internationals. India winning the series 4-1, and aren't they happy? We've done it again. This duo of Yuvraj Singh and Mahendra Singh Dhoni.